Without further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to your kitchen. Today we're gonna make one of my all-time favorite dishes, chicken fajita. This beautiful dish is made from chicken, vegetables and tasty spices and is effortless to prepare. Join me to learn how to make this delicious meal at home. By the way, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get started. It tastes heavenly. Thank you guys for staying with me. Stay tuned until the next video. Have fun!